Hello everyone, today I'll be doing this look. It's very dramatic, but it's because I just bought the Morphe 35B palette. I'll show you it all now. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm sure most people have seen this because it is a very popular palette. But I'm just below the trends. Didn't know about it until James Charles mentioned it to me, well, in a video. But yeah, it's amazing and I really love it. As you'll see when I'm using it. I'm sorry about the voiceover. I'm going to be doing a voiceover when I do the eyes just because I really wanted to focus on the eyes. I didn't want to be distracted in any way. So yes, I hope you enjoy this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hello everyone, today I'm using the 35B palette. As you can see, I'm very excited. I decided today I'm going to do a very creative look using this palette just because it's brand new and I'm not used to doing really creative looks, so thought I'd give it a wee try. I'm just going to take the wee blue that I just pointed to there and I'm going to smoke it in my crease, focusing it more on the outer corner and the inner corner, but blending it the whole way through. You want to make sure that this is a seamless blend. I'm very impressed by the pigmentation. You just want to make sure that this is a very seamless blend. Just keep going over it. And then I'm going to take a small packing brush and take the same colour and just focus it more on the inner corner and the outer corner. Because this is where I want the most pigmentation to be. It doesn't take much to get this palette to show its pigmentation, as you can see. It's very strong. So you just want to pack that and then bring it through the crease again. This colour is absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favourite colours in the palette so far. I'm going to take that big fluffy brush again and just making sure this blended seamlessly all the way through. Then I'm going to take the purple colour and I'm just again going to put that in the inner corner and outer corner and blend it through the crease again just to define the crease a wee bit more than what it is now. Taking a really small precise brush and just working it through the crease. Again, this colour is very pigmented and it's very hard to get a purple to be pigmented, so well done Morphe. So I'm just going to make sure that's all the way through the crease. Not worrying if it goes on the lid or anything, because at a later date we'll be cutting the lid, so we're doing a wee semicircle of concealer on the lid. I don't even know what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to take that blending brush again and just blend in the purple all the way through. Just making sure that the purple is really blended in with the blue, taking that blue colour again and just going back and forth, repeating steps that I did in the earlier date. As you can see. And then I'm going to take this wee brush by MAC and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to use these two to cut the crease. Just making sure to be very careful with this step. When doing this step, you need to make sure that you're being very precise with your lines, because if you do it wrong, it can smudge onto your crease work, which could affect your blending. I'm just making sure that I'm keeping my eyes closed while I set it, that's why I'm looking a wee bit funny there, but you just want to make sure you set it. I'm using the white from the Morphe 35B palette just to set it. And then taking the blue again and just going around the edges, because like I said, if you're not careful it can go in your crease, and this is what happened to me. So I'm just taking a wee bit of blue and going around that wee semicircle just to make sure it's perfect. And then taking the purple again, I'm just going to go around it again just to deepen up that crease even more. By doing this, I'm kind of smudging the semicircle lines in just a tiny bit, just to kind of give that seamless blend. And then I'm going to take another flat brush. I'm going to take the yellow from the Morphe palette and just put that near my lash line. I'm sorry, I didn't realise that you couldn't see what I was doing there. But I'm just putting it very close to my lash line and smudging it a wee bit up just so you can see it a wee bit more when I have my lashes on. Like that. Making sure it's really blended as well. And then I'm going to take another brush and take the bright orange from the palette. I'm just going to put that even closer to my lash line just to kind of give it a sunset effect. You want to make sure that these two colours are very blended together and very, very bright, vibrant. These colours are so easy to blend. I'm in love with this palette already. Just making sure that everything's all blended together and showing you the eye look there. It's looking really pretty. And then I'm going to take the orange again and I'm just going to bring it underneath the eye. Kind of just representing the top, but putting it underneath. So I'm doing a wee bit of orange and then I'm going to go over it with a wee bit of blue just to kind of give that smoked out effect. You'll see in a wee second. I'm going to take the blue brush. Again, I didn't know you couldn't see, but I'm just smudging up that orange with the blue. I don't show in the video, but at a later date I put a wee bit of yellow on the orange, just kind of make it a wee bit less orange and more like a muted yellowy sunsetty kind of colour. But I'm just taking that purple and connecting it to the bottom lash line, only on the outer corner though. Again, taking the brush and just making sure it's all blended. And then taking the Too Faced highlighter. I accidentally got rid of that clip, but I just put it in my inner corner and on my brow bone. But again, at a later date, I put the Sugar Pill pigment and I put it in the inner corner. You'll see when I show you the finished look the difference it made. So I'm just applying these lashes. It took me forever to apply these, so I cut it to the top. But that's the finished look there. I've added a wee bit of mascara. It looks lovely, I think. I hope you enjoyed this wee tutorial. I'm sorry about this voiceover, it's my first time doing it. Don't know how successful it is. I'm just going to take a wee flat brush, and this is going to make a lot of people cringe, but I love doing eyeshadow on my waterline. I just feel like it stays a lot longer. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. And again, I didn't realise I wasn't showing you, but I'm just putting a wee bit of eyeshadow on my waterline, and then you'll see my funny face in a second, putting it on my top waterline. This is just to connect the lashes together. And at a later date, I don't show in the video again, I just smudge the lash line into the orange a wee bit more. But that is the finished eye look, and I'm just going to go create it again on the other eye, and I really hope you enjoyed. Because I wanted the focus to be on the eyes and not on the lips. But overall, this Morphe palette is amazing. I definitely recommend it. It blended really easily. I kind of thought it would because I watch James Charles, as you all know. I mention him in like every video. And what's it he said, it's amazing. So that's why I went and got it. And shit, hey what, it was worth the splurge. So be expecting more dramatic looks from me because I've really enjoyed doing this one. And well, yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and just because I don't have a set date when I upload, so at least then you'll know when to expect a video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!